Hello, super learners! Welcome back to Kids Learning Loop, where learning is always fun. Today, we are going to solve a sentence mystery. Have you ever wondered how sentences work? Well, today, we are going to learn about subject and predicate. By the end of this video, you will be a sentence detective. Today, you will learn what a subject is, what a predicate is, how to find them in a sentence, and we'll play fun games too. First, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. For example, the dog runs. Is that a complete idea? Yes, it is. Now, let's break our sentence into two parts. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Let us look at this example that we did before. The dog runs. Who is the sentence about? Yes, the dog. The subject is the dog. Good job, everyone. Let us look at some other examples. The cat sleeps. My teacher smiles. Birds fly. The baby cries. Who is the sentence about? Let us look at number 1. The cat. Great job. My teacher. Good. Number 3. Birds. Awesome. Number 4. The baby. Good work, everyone. Now, what is a predicate? The predicate tells us what the subject does or what is happening. Back to the example. The dog runs. What is the dog doing? That's right, runs. Good job. Other examples. The cat sleeps. My teacher smiles. Birds fly. The baby cries. Can you identify the predicate in each sentence? Number 1, sleeps. Good job. Number 2, smiles. Number 3, fly. And number 4, tries. Great job, everyone. Subject or what, and the predicate what they do. Let's mix subjects and predicates. Subject: the dog, my sister, the baby. Predicate: sings loudly, runs fast, cries at night. Let us match each subject with its predicate. The dog runs fast. My sister sings loudly. The baby cries at night. Great job, everyone. Now, let's find both the subject and predicate. The fish swims in the pond. Who is the sentence about? That's right, the fish. What is happening? Swims in the pond. Awesome work, everyone. Now, I want you to complete this activity. Pause your video and try these. Find the subject. The sun shines. The children laugh. My mom cooks dinner. Find the predicate. The frog jumps high. The baby drinks milk. The car moves fast. Did you find all the predicates? Great work, everyone. Let's review. What tells who or what? Subject. What tells what happened? Predicate. Can a sentence have only one part? No. A sentence must have two parts. A subject and a predicate. Congratulations! You are now officially subject detective. You learned what a subject is, what a predicate is, how to find them, how to make your own sentences. If you enjoyed learning with Kids Learning Loop, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next fun lesson. Bye, super learners!